Hello friends, once again welcome to the class of Cost and Works Accounting. As you all are aware, we are solving the problems on cost sheet. So this is the disclaimer statement of this particular video. We are going to use this particular format of cost sheet to solve the problem. This is our problem number 16. This came in 2017 April external examination of Savitribai Phule Pune University at SYBCOM level. So this is the first page of problem. Okay, so we will first classify these amounts, these items, and we'll go to the next problem. Okay, so first, opening stock of raw material, A item. Then opening stock of finished goods, this is I item, right? Opening stock of work in progress, we need to write in E, right? So here all three things appeared, all three stocks: opening stock of raw material, then opening stock of work in progress, and opening stock of finished goods. Okay, next is closing stock of raw material, A. Closing stock of finished goods, I. And closing stock of work in progress, E. Okay, so all three items here appeared in this particular problem. Okay, indirect labor, E. Lubricants, again E. So this is the second page. Insurance on plant, E. Purchase of raw materials, A. Sales commission, K. Salaries to salesmen, again K. Administrative expenditure, G. Carriage outward, K. Power, E. Direct labor, B. Depreciation on machinery, E. Factory rent, again E. Property tax on factory building. So though it is a tax, but it is on the factory building, so we'll consider it in E. This is not a financial item. Okay, sales, N. So here they have asked us to prepare statement of cost and find out these items A to G. Okay, so now let us start to solve the problem. Okay, so here I have kept the format ready. Okay, so first we need to write in the books of, who's in the books of, and it is not mentioned in the problem, so you need to write in the books of and put a dash or dot dot. Next we are preparing cost sheet, and again we need to write for the period ended, though it is not mentioned, but we need to write. Okay, so prepare columns of particulars, total rupees and total rupees. Above that you need to write number of units produced and number of units sold. Though it is not mentioned in the problem, you need to write and keep it blank. Okay, next is first A thing, direct material. Now here you need to see opening stock of raw material, which is mentioned. Okay, 40,000. Next you need to add the purchases, right? So where is the purchases? It is C on second page, purchases, that is 4 lakhs. Okay, so add 4 lakhs. For again you need to add the expenses on purchases. So in this example it is not mentioned, so put it dash. Do the total, it is 4,40,000. Now minus the closing stock of raw material. So it is in first page, it is mentioned over here 50,000. Okay, do the total outer column 3,90,000. So this is your material consumed. Next item is B, that is direct labor. Okay, so it is 3 lakhs. Okay, so format is there, you need to find out where is it. Okay, so here it is mentioned direct labor 3 lakhs, you need to find it. Okay, next item is C, direct expenses. So direct expenses are not mentioned, so we will write but we will keep it blank. Do the total of this, it is 6,90,000. This is your prime cost. Okay, next item is factory overheads. Okay, so all E items you need to see and you need to write. Okay, so first E item is, though it is mentioned over here opening stock of work in progress and closing stock of work in progress, but as per our format it comes last, so we'll skip this at this juncture and we'll go to the next E item, that is indirect labor. Okay, E, that is 50,000. Okay, next is lubricants 10,000. Next, see the next page, insurance on plant. Okay, so it is 3,000. Next E item here, depreciation on machinery 50,000. So before that power is here. Okay, so power is 30,000. So we'll see the first, write the power. Okay, and next is the depreciation on machinery. Next is factory rent 60,000. Factory rent 60,000. Next is property tax, so it is 11,000. Okay, so here we have taken all the items. Okay, again that 2 items are there, this opening stock of work in progress and closing stock of work in progress, but before that we need to do the total of these items. Okay, so it is 2,14,000. Okay, now add the adjustment. So adjustment on account of stock of work in progress, you need to add the work in progress and you need to less the amount of closing stock of work in progress. So what is the opening stock of work in progress? Here it is 10,000. You need to add this 10,000 in 2,14,000. Okay, and you need to minus the closing stock of work in progress, that is 14,000. So if you minus this 14,000 from the total of these two, you will get the amount, that is 2,10,000. Okay, this is your factory overheads. Okay, now do the total of this, that is 6,90,000 and 2,10,000. This is your factory cost or works cost, that is 9 lakhs. Okay, now next item is the G item. See this, on first page it is not there any G item. Let us see on the second page. Yes, here it is, administrative expenses. Only one item is there, G. So 1 lakh. Okay, so right over here, G, administration expenditure 1 lakh. Do the total, it is 10 lakhs. So this is our cost of production. Okay, now after cost of production, we need to do the adjustment on account of stock of finished goods, right? So write adjustment on account stock of finished goods, or finished goods. We need to add opening stock of finished goods. So see, where is it? Here, second item, opening stock of finished goods 1 lakh. Write in, you can write in inner column 1 lakh. Next, closing stock, you need to minus the closing stock of finished goods, right? So it is 1,50,000. Okay, now do the calculation of this. The amount will be minus 50,000, right? So put that amount minus 50,000 and add this amount. Okay, add minus 50,000 in 10 lakhs. So when you do the calculation, then it will be 9,50,000 because minus sign is there. Okay, so this is your cost of goods sold. Okay, now add the selling and distribution expenditure. Okay, so on first page, not a single item is there on K. So let us see on the next page. So here first item is sales commission 60,000, right? Sales commission. Next, salaries to salesmen 1 lakh, write it. Then last item, this is carriage outward 20,000. Now do the total of this, it is 1,80,000. Add this 1,80,000 to the 9,50,000. This is 11,30,000, and this is your cost of sales. Okay, sales figure is already mentioned, that is 12 lakhs, right? Now if you wanted to find out profit, you need to minus this 11,30,000 from 12,000. Okay, 12 lakhs. Okay, so if you do the calculation, you will get the answer, that is profit, which is 70,000 in this case. Okay, so here we have finished problem number 16. Okay, so this is again our disclaimer statement. Thank you very much.